He knows pretty much everything, to be honest. Dude's like a robot. I don't understand. He's a machine. Go check him out. His YouTube channel is a lot bigger than mine, but you'll learn some stuff.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Man, oh man, oh man, when I got this much energy, it's bad for the tube, it's bad for the YouTube when I got this much energy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just came from outside walking my dog. It's cold out here, man. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna make this one quick. I was gonna do a live stream. Just surprise the whole fam and just go live, answer some questions, just be live with it. But then I said, I don't know if they're ready for that. So I didn't go live. Nah, I'm just playing because I have a lot of stuff to do. I have to cook some dinner, so I'm about to cook right now. But this is gonna be a quick video, guys. This is gonna be a quick video, a freestyle video too. I freestyle a lot of my videos, in case you guys didn't know. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna freestyle this for you guys because I mean, I don't know if you guys know the way YouTubers structure things. A lot of them, at least the really professional ones. I'm not too much of a professional one because a lot of professional YouTubers they like structure what type of content they're gonna put out next and next and next. But me, guys, I'm like Jay-Z on YouTube. I'm like Biggie Smalls on YouTube. I just go in and I just freestyle. The camera's on. I just turn the camera on and I'm just like, let me give it to my fam what they need to hear today. What I need to show them today. That's it. I freestyle. It just comes from the heart, the soul, the brain. That's it, right? So, anyways, guys, I want to make this one quick for you guys. I'm gonna give you. I really don't even know the number. I'm just gonna give you some of the top gurus, well, YouTube professionals in certain categories. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready for this? So let's just jump right into it. We're gonna start off with, let's start off with affiliate marketing. For any of you guys that wanna learn affiliate marketing and think that affiliate marketing is a beast way to make money, which it is, it's amazing. If you guys wanna learn from, and like, the guy, the one to, like, you're gonna make money for the rest of your life, passive, like, this is the guy to go to, and his name is ODI Productions, guys. Odie's a beast. He doesn't know I'm mentioning him. Nobody on this list is gonna know I'm mentioning them. I'm just doing this just for the fam. Odie's somebody I've been studying for a while. He's a beast. Affiliate marketing, you wanna learn that? There's like, he's the top. Like, it really doesn't get that much better than Odie. So go check out ODI. Once again, his YouTube name is ODI Productions, guys, for any of you guys that want to do affiliate marketing. Now let's jump into private label. Oh my gosh, private label. Private label. See, look, I know you guys have seen many ads about people trying to do private label, right? Or sell you some course. Well, here's the thing, guys. All these gurus that do private label, they all learn from, pretty much most of them learn from this guy. And the guy I'm gonna give it to you guys, he's really not even that old of a guy. He's a young dude. And he is Kevin David. Guys, Kevin David is a beast. Most of these gurus out there with all these courses, they all probably took his course and learned from him. Kevin David is a beast, guys. Not only is he a beast with private label, like, he will actually make you make some money. I learned from Kevin. You guys can learn from Kevin. I learned from multiple other people as well, but Kevin is one of the main guys I liked as well. But not only private label, guys, for any of you guys that want to know how to do drop shipping, he's the man. I mean, Kevin's the man. He knows pretty much everything, to be honest. Dude's like a robot. I don't understand. He's a machine. So for those of you guys that have never heard of Kevin David, go check him out. His YouTube channel is a lot bigger than mine, but you'll learn some stuff from Kevin David. So go check him out, guys. All right. Now let's jump into retail arbitrage, guys. Okay, retail arbitrage. If you guys want to learn how to do retail arbitrage the best, then you already learned. No, I'm just joking, guys. Nah, some of the top guys that I've learned from was actually, he's not even that big, but he does have a bigger YouTuber than YouTube than me. His name is the Homemade Entrepreneur. No, it's just Homemade Entrepreneur. This dude's a beast. He is a beast. He talks about bundling. He talks about getting like not just retail arbitrage. He does multiple stores. He's been doing this for so long. He's taught a million people. I've learned a lot about BSR and whatnot from him. I gotta give it to him. Also, the bearded picker. He's a beast as well. Now, of course, you have the ultimate gurus, and I'm gonna call them gurus because I mean they're just the most popular. If you want to learn like Facebook advertising and whatnot, things like that, go check out your boy Ty Lopez. I mean, you know, everybody knows the dude. I mean, Ty's a beast. I watch him as well. Go check out your boy Grant Cardone if you want to learn how to sell anything. Like, the dude's a beast. They have a crazy growth conference coming up right now, I think in January, that I might go to, and if I do, I'm gonna bring the camera. But yeah, Grant Cardone, you know, Ty Lopez, Gary V. I mean, you know, those are the more popular people that you guys probably know already. Just research these guys, look at what they're doing every day, follow them on YouTube, Twitter, whatever, and just follow along with them, guys, because you will learn a lot. It will program your mindset for greatness, and that's what you need to do, all right, family? Like I said, this is going to be a quick one. I'm not going to hold your time too much. I have a lot of things to do, family, but if you are new here, stick around because I will show you guys how I make money. I learned from multiple people, multiple entrepreneurs. And yeah, my brainwaves are just on a level of their own. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue to bring you some content. You already know it's vlog style too. So it's really my life at this point. For those of you that want to know how to do retail arbitrage, watch some of my earlier videos. I will still be posting, you know, sourcing videos and like little tips and tricks here and there. But if you guys want to really know how to do it, go watch my step-by-step video. I'll link it up here. Go watch my what you need for retail arbitrage. I'll also link it up here and in the description below. For those of you new people that want to actually learn it step for step, go watch those videos and some of my older videos, the BSR video and whatnot. So guys, that's it. I'm just gonna keep this one quick. You already know what it is. Do I need to say it? Of course I need to say it. Of course I need to say it, man. My camera died on me, but I wasn't gonna leave without saying it. Y'all already know. It's peace and love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified. We out, family. Peace.